Hello, and welcome to another tech video. So this is going to be my 20 subscriber special, so thank y'all for all my subscribers. We're going to be unboxing the AirPods Pro and the Beats Studio Buds. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, I'm really excited for this. So these are the AirPods Pro 2nd edition. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yes, and the Beats Studio Buds, which were released, I think, a few months ago. These are both made by Apple, and I got my sister the Studio Buds, and then my mom got my other mom the Pro. So I think we should get started with these. So let's start off with these, since the AirPods Pro, they're more of an unboxing experience. So yeah. So hopefully this mic picks up satisfying noises just like the iPhone unboxing. Let me turn my gain up. Ooh. Okay. So, I guess let's just pull this. Wow. So these are the Beats Studio Buds. Ooh, wow. And then here's just your manual and your charging things. What's in here? Okay, so I think this is extra pads. Yep, it is. So I'm going to keep those in there. So yeah, and then we got this cord right here. USB Type-C, which I love since it's much more consistent. Like, it's not even about the speeds, it's just much more consistent. I'm talking to you, iPhone X. Okay. Try it free, Apple Music, random stuff, and a Beat sticker. And then just all your safety and handling, what the heck. Yes, and then that's just all your stuff right there. So that's basically the unboxing. At the end, I'm going to pair both of these, and hopefully I am in frame. So here are the Beats Studio Buds. Now, I think what most of us have been waiting for, and this is the AirPods Pro. So. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, this is on my Apple in California. AirPods Pro. Random stuff. Stuff and more stuff. Okay. And then here is the actual product. And then here is your charging cord. And this one is lightning. And then over here, you've got also your extra tips. So I think let's get on to pairing those. Okay. So, right next to me, currently, there's quite a few things. So, I'm going to go pack up the Beats Studio Buds, and then let's get to pairing them. Okay. So, before I start pairing these, I want to talk about a charity that I'm doing, for the ACCF. It is the Atlanta Cancer Care Foundation, and it is a cancer foundation, for in Atlanta. So, because yep, that's around where I live. Each subscriber that I gain, I donate another $1 to the ACCF. It helps the families who have had their loved ones who have had cancer. So yes, one subscriber equals $1. So yeah, let's get back on with the video. So, yeah. So tell me whichever ones y'all like better. I am probably a bigger fan. Well, I really like the glossy finish on this one. But I get probably this one is the more well liked, since more people like matte finish now than a glossy finish. So I'm going to pair them with both devices, with an Android phone and with an Apple phone. So what you're seeing right now is from my sister's phone. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go switch it out with the DSLR, since I don't think I need you anymore. So yeah, let's change it. Okay, so let's start with pairing them to the yes, let's pair them with the iPhone first. So whenever I take them out, unfortunately, it is not being shown because, well, this is actually the second time that I've recorded this segment. The camera was too low to where it wasn't, my face was out of frame. Since I switched it to where this phone used to be, but well, this has a wider lens, so I wasn't in frame. So very sorry. So the cool little thing don't pop up. So yeah. So let's just go to settings then, I guess. Okay, so the Beats Studio Buds are already connected. So these are the right, I'm guessing. Yep. Hopefully I'm putting these in right. I'm probably not. Okay, so let's play one of my videos. So weird with noise canceling, since I'm so used to the Galaxy Beans. Okay, so overall really good. The YouTube without the microphone sounds really good, but normally on the microphones, normally on some earbuds, just a bad microphone sounds just really bad on them. So now I gotta figure out how to put these in. Lord. Okay, they're finally in. Now let's try these with them. Okay, and it's already connected to the AirPods. So the right. Now last time I put AirPods in, they were not comfortable. But these are the pros, so they'll. Okay, so whoa, this sounds really weird. So it's putting a mic in my ear right now, so it sounds like I'm already on a YouTube video. Whoa. I know. Okay, so well, those fit much better than the original AirPods, and that transparency mode is really weird. So yeah, I really do like that spatial audio, because like I could move around and then it sounds like it's just like right here, and then I can move around to get closer and further, and it sounds different. So overall, and good thing, the first time I recorded this video, I didn't even notice that, so I kept my head still. So it sounds really weird on YouTube videos though, like with the bad mic, which is just the DSLR. It sounds really weird. So yeah, that's one of the bad things, but it sounds really cool. So I'd have to rate this 1 out of 10. This is a 7, and this is an 8.5. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for all my subscribers. Happy New Year's, and see y'all in the next video. Bye!